Welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome to the channel. And if you have been here before, then welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to do a really quick video going over what I had picked up from the NATASHA DENONA Mini Love Palette. I had picked up the collection of the Mini Love Palette where you could save about, I want to think it was around $12 if you bought the set, which included the Mini Love Palette along with the Love Cheek Duo and the I Need a Nude Lippy. And so if you bought all three pieces, it was a deal on her website for $80 for all three pieces. And I just wanted to kind of go over this package and just give you a little bit of the comps that I have done. So if you're wondering if these are being duped, you can make a good informed decision whether you want to pick these up or not. So I went ahead and swatched this new beautiful I Need a Nude Lippy against what I have in my Charlotte line, and I have not found an exact dupe of this lipstick. However, there are two very close ones, and I've got those pulled out so that I can show you what that is. So this particular lipstick from the NATASHA DENONA I Need a Nude line is 36 NP Amorosa. It is a beautiful nude. If you are of my skin tone and coloration, which is sort of neutral leaning pink undertone. And let me just refresh this. It's really sort of a perfect nude, my lips but better color for me. These particular Lippies, the formulation is very creamy, very comfortable, nourishing. They just feel very rich, balmy, but not goopy, not sticky. I just like the formula very much. One of my faves. Very hydrating, very creamy, very luxurious feeling to your lips, very conditioning to my lips. They don't dry out. They just feel like a very treatment type of lipstick, if you will. So I want to swatch this and let you see what this Amorosa looks like. So this is the NATASHA DENONA Lippy. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm really loving this one. I also love the packaging. It just feels very substantial, easy to put on. It feels a little bit longer, if you will, than most bullets. It has a magnetic closure, really like that. And then the two that it really reminds me of is, of course, Pillow Talk. If you caught my live the other night, I'm going to swatch that on one side. So I will swatch that one here. This is Charlotte's Pillow Talk. Very similar. And then the other one is one of my all-time favorites from Charlotte's line, and that is JK Magic. And I'm going to put that one right here. So I'm going to come in so you can see that. Very similar. And again, JK Magic is probably my all-time favorite from Charlotte's line. Maybe because that's my initials, I don't know, but it also just looks so good on my particular coloration. And again, it is extremely similar. So of course, I'm really loving this Amorosa. So the other thing to think about though is if you have JK Magic, you have Pillow Talk, how much do you really need this particular shade of the I Need a Nude from Natasha. But the formula is different. Whereas the Pillow Talk, it's a Matte Revolution, and the JK Magic is a kissing formula. So the JK Magic's formula is going to be more along the lines of the I Need a Nude from Natasha. So their formulas are even going to be very, very similar. Very nourishing. The kissing formula is my favorite from Charlotte's line because it is so nourishing, creamy, treatment-like to your lips. So just some things to keep in mind with the Lippy. Now, getting into the Love Cheek Duo. This, of course, is a cream product. This is your highlighter. The highlighter is not the only thing that I'm wearing today. The highlighter, I like a really blingy highlighter. I'm not getting that from this product. It is a beautiful packaged product, but it just doesn't give me quite the feels that I want. I wished it would have been cream also. What I actually am wearing over the top of it is I am using my Orgasm palette. I don't know if you guys remember this. This was released probably a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago from Nars. It's an all cream palette. It got a lot of flack whenever it was released. A lot of people really did not like this. However, this was before cream products were really making their comeback and was really in their heyday like they are right now. I loved this product. I love it still. I am a very big cream product girl. I love it, and the product that I'm using today on my cheeks is this product right here, and it is a lovely cream highlighter. And quite honestly, if you are really wanting to get into cream products and you would like to give them a try, you might could find this palette. It is the Nars Endless Orgasm Palette from Nars. You might could find this on Mercari. Guys, it's fantastic. So I'm actually wearing this over the top. But the reason I picked this up, one, because it was part of the deal where you know, got the products for a pretty good deal, and I wanted to see for comparison how close this cream blush was to my Daria palette. So I have the Diamond and Blush palette here, and I just wanted to see for comparison how close it was to the cream blush here. This is the cream blush from the new Love Cheek Duo right here. And this is the blush out of the Daria Diamond and Blush palette. And there they are. And I really don't see a difference. This one is called Pink Coral. I'm not seeing the color anywhere on the Daria palette as far as the color goes. But let me build that up a little bit and just see with a new finger. Let me just dip back in. But what I'm seeing is that there is no difference. That's what I've got from comparisons, if you're wanting to know. So I would say if you've got the Daria Diamond and Blush, you definitely don't need this, because I don't think the highlighter's that great. I definitely would skip over it. Just my opinion, I'm not feeling it on the highlighter. But the mini palette, let's talk about that. the Mini Love palette. The shades are You Are My True Love. And it looks like this. And I'm wearing it today on my eyes. And this one right here, guys, this is absolutely just, I mean, it's just absolutely stunning. There is the prettiest shift to this shade. And I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not. But let me just swatch the palette. There is the entire palette right there. I can honestly say I would take this mini palette over the big palette any day of the week. This little booger, this palette right here is so good. This thing, this is absolutely fantastic. My favorite mini palette that she has ever done. I will never give up this mini palette. It is beautiful. So I have this on my eyes. I am blown away. Absolutely blown away by this. I am just floored by how good this palette performed. It is amazing. I am absolutely enthralled. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. Now, I actually am one of the people who likes the big palette, but I'll tell you right now, I am just like, if I had to choose between the mini or my full-blown palette, I would choose this one. That's how much I love that mini palette. But as you can see, there are no dupes between the two. So as you can see, there are no dupes. They just complement each other so well. I am so thrilled to have both of these, really. But like I said, if I had to choose the big one or the mini, I would definitely choose the mini. So happy. So happy to have this mini palette. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown. I do have this on my eyes today. I'm loving this whole collection, but if I were to do it over again, because I have the Daria palette, the big diamond and blush palette, I would definitely skip the duo. If you don't have the big diamond and blush palette, then the Love Cheek Duo, the blush in the Love Cheek Duo is a very nice blush. But my recommendation is catch this when it's on sale. And you can probably catch this for around $44. And it usually is on sale at Sephora. Then you can usually catch around sale time. You can usually catch, sometimes you can catch this for $44 plus an additional percentage off. Or you can catch this for $44 plus use your points at Sephora for an additional $10 off, which would bring it down to $34. And I would rather have this than I had this, because then you get cream and powder blushes and highlighters. And I think that this product here is a lot better than this product. So those are my recommendations. Those are my thoughts on the NATASHA DENONA Mini Love Drop. And if you're thinking about getting it, that is my thoughts and opinions on it. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick kind of informational video about it. Definitely loving it. I went in and I used today, guys, one of my besties, Lisa, sent me this Chikuhodo brush. This is the GS. Guys, I have wanted this for almost a year. And This is the GSN 10. I'm going to be doing a video on curating a specialized natural hair brush collection for yourself. And definitely this is a brush that I would say if you're wanting to start a natural hair brush collection, that this definitely should be in your collection, because this brush alone, you can do a whole entire look with just this one brush. Because of the way that it is pointed, you can use this on your lower lash line. But this is just a stellar brush, and oh my gosh, to have been gifted with such a nice brush that I have wanted for so long was just an incredible gift to receive. I couldn't believe it whenever this came in my mail. It was just, I mean, it's just absolutely, the detail on this brush, it's just beautiful. It's tapered at the end. It is I believe that this is Blue Hair Squirrel. It is so soft on your eye, but just the detail in the brush, it's tapered right on the end, which means you can use it in the lower lash line, in the crease for fine detail, but it's also very flat. So you can use it as a shader, but it's also fluffy because of the brush hairs itself. So you can use it for blending. So this is really 3 brush uses in one brush. It's just incredible. Oh my gosh, I just could not believe that I actually own this brush in my collection. And yeah, to just have someone gift you with something so incredible is just amazing. So thank you so much, Lisa, for gifting me this. I really appreciate it and appreciate you. And yeah, it's just beyond my wildest dreams to have gotten this brush. I'm just so ecstatic about it. And so I did use that to create my entire look with one brush tonight, just one brush. And those are my thoughts on the Mini Love collection from Natasha Denona. I'm really over the moon with it, and I really love the look that I created, and I'm just so ecstatic to have this in my collection. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to become part of the Unfiltered 50s family, I would love to have you join and become a part of the fam. All you got to do is click the big red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Smooches. See you next time. Bye for now.